what I'm going to try to do is install these Eagle lights on my 2024 Tri Glide. And my able assistant is going to be reading the instructions. Where are you, able assistant?
Right here.
Read it.
Number 1, remove the stock tail light. It is held in with 2 screws. Remove and set them aside.
All right. Now, I think we're going to be reusing these screws, so I don't want to booger up the head on it. Trying to be real careful here not to break anything. That's usually my modus operandi. Usually have to repair 2 things that I break when I'm fixing one thing. For a mechanic, I'm a pretty good cook. Didn't want to use my electric screwdriver. I didn't want to mess up the lens on this one in case I wanted to ever go back to original equipment. Apparently, this comes loose. There it went. What do you know? All right, what's the next?
Remove the protective covering from the included gasket. Then route the taillight harness through the gasket.
Oh, there it is. Now, I called the man at Eagle Lights and he said this is just a plug that you can throw away. This has adhesive on the back of it. I think you inferred that you really don't need this, but it'd be my luck if I didn't put it on there. It'd be sloshing water in that lens next time you looked at it. There's also a static clean type of thing on the lens itself that has to be removed.
Put the gasket on first.
Oh yeah. Certainly. It goes on one way.
I'll let it that out.
All right. You got to thread the screw through the lens first and then put it back on. But it's all one piece. It's plug and play just like they say it is. And that's it.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Nice.
Now that's something right there. Now Eagles is not a sponsor. They didn't give me anything. I paid full price for these, was the discount. Plus I got this decent t-shirt from them. So I think it's a good job. It's easy. All right, child, say good night.